What's going on, guys? 3 wheels and the block in the garage. 77 C10. The block showed up to show me how to do drum brakes. The block was letting me know that I should have had the camera on earlier when I was fighting with a lug nut that was stuck in the socket. You guys know how much I love lug nuts stuck in sockets. And I used a 5/8 bolt instead of a 9/16 to drive the lug nut out and got the bolt stuck in the socket, so made twice the amount of work I needed to make for myself. But anyway, it's a brake time for the C10, and the block already took care of the front brakes, so he came to knock out the rear. And I've done drum brakes, I think twice. And both times, I almost took my eye out with the spring coming off of there, so I enlisted the professional for this.
Sit. That's your back. Somebody had a nut. It's a back.
What in the world?
But we have a flat head like this. You get yourself to make it tighter. They put a nut on that. See, this is the kind of truck you bring me work. I don't know.
If you guys missed the video and what he's referring to, the type of trucks, I'll show you guys right quick. So this is the cherry bomb muffler. You see it's clamped on at the front right behind the factory converter. You can see that in there. Kind of hard to see. But the back side is rigged up with some sort of wire hanger clamp system that's tied to the other U-clamp, muffler clamp up there. So that's what he's referring to. These type of trucks.
So your vehicles just don't appreciate what you do for them. Hey, I know what you mean. I was saying that yesterday about that old 66. 67. I said, see, your problem is you got attitude. But then I realized I was talking about old folks, so that's me, so I had to quit talking about it.
All right, let's have a peek here. The block is gone. The block did his thing. It's the new brake hardware and shoes. I'm mainly doing this video so I remember how to put these together. All right, so there you go. Not really a how-to, but he said he's gonna come over and take care of the brakes on the rear. So I said, you know what? We'll make a video of it. Just gonna wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels in the Block. We're giving back what time has taken away. We'll see you soon.